Hi, I'm Martin Bailey, CTO at Global Graphics. I spend most of my time working on the Harlequin RIP, but I'm also a subject matter expert on the committees developing ISO standards for the printing industry. I'm here today at Label Expo in Brussels, so I thought it was a great opportunity to tell you about a new standard that was published last year, primarily for labels and packaging, that's such an important new standard that it's already been implemented by ESCO, by Calus, by Hybrid Software, and by Global Graphics Software in the Harlequin RIP. It's called PDF Processing Steps, or ISO 19593 if you're into the numbers. It's a very simple standard, and all it does is add some additional labels to what you're already doing when you're preparing jobs with all those cut lines and fold lines and dimensions and legends and braille and glue marks, etc. If you're a print service provider or a converter, someone who's actually doing printing, typically what you'll do when you first get a PDF from your customers is to look inside and figure out how they marked up cut lines, fold lines, etc. Did they use a spot called cut, or die line, or die? Did they use PDF layers with halfway sensible names? So you have to look inside the file, you have to figure out what names were used, what structures were used, and then you can configure the RIP so that you can print just the live graphics and no cut lines, or for a proof, everything including all the technical separations, all the technical marks. PDF processing steps allows all of those objects to be defined in a standardized, unambiguous way so that your printing station, your DFE, your pre-press workflow can be configured in a standard way that every job will go through without needing to correct the spot names from a particular designer. That's all it does. A PDF file with PDF processing steps is a fully valid PDF file. It can also be PDFX, etc. It won't get in the way of your workflow if nobody's using the data, but if people are using the data, then you can really automate the printing workflow much more efficiently. So that's PDF processing steps, ISO 19593. Thank you for listening.